So this is the England changing room. Baths. There we go. Through here into the where they all lube up and have a grease down. Physio room. Physio room. Here we go. This is what the England boys said. Okay, video's coming up. Here we go. England boys coming out. England ready. Go on, boys! Come on, boys. Blow it out. Come on, come on. Come on, get those. Here we go, here we go. I nearly ran onto the pitch. Silly boys.